Promob has a new look. We have improved usability with a much more modern and dynamic interface. The tools are now separated into File, Edit, Display, Insert, Tools, and Help menus. This way, all the tools are grouped by category, making it easier to build the project. The libraries for models and materials have moved to the left-hand side of the screen and were renamed catalogs. This makes better use of the work area. Note that the navigation and organization of the libraries remains the same as before. Update your Promob. Enjoy this new experience.